ithini doke ngokuka Nansika
Kasis.
yeah
Who is this?
Nansika
ZK.
ZK
Zintle. Kwaaiman.
Oh, no, we are dating.
serious
Yeah, she's been my girlfriend. We started like on Facebook, for instance. I like her a lot. So I remember this one time she was performing a Pebalina Pemonte Kunto Yombot and you guys are Palizak and doing all that stuff, twerking and everything. So the boys they saw me like yeah. And then from there I was always tagged in those like, but hey brother, I was twerking. And then I started making jokes about that, and I didn't tag her. But yeah, I was Zintle, and people tagged her. And then it went on and started in inbox, went to WhatsApp. Yeah.
that's how go
No.
oh that's how
No, I'm not that kind. I can't. I'm always the second week mazana because one day they just take those inboxes. One day say, yeah, and phone. I'm not that kind of. I'm always scared of those things. I can't say so. I'm inbox out there. I don't do that.
also nguye kutachaye ba
Yeah, she.
What say play to?
Well, yeah, she said, give me your number. And then she was on, and then I said, I'm bringing that plate for you. It's going to be okay. And then I brought the plate. We had each other's numbers. We started chatting on WhatsApp, and then earphone. Yeah, so yeah, I think by tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken, we have a date tomorrow, a spa date, me and her.
Jesus.
Yeah, we are on those.
Hey, serious was the way?
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Hey!
Look at your face. But we do have a spa date, but we are not dating.
Yo!
No, we have a spa date tomorrow. I think we are. I can't say we are friends, but we're okay with each other. Were you okay?